Hello guys, this is Like10 and with another video. Now I'm just going to go and turn the lights off and then I'll explain to you what I'm playing. Right, basically this is White Noise, A Tale of Horror. Now it's based on Slender, but it's like with a different, like the monster and that, and you've got to collect 8 tapes. And I'm with my friend Flying Off for 1, 2, 3. Say hi, Liam.
You're right.
Yeah, right. Are you going to start now, Liam? Right. Whew, here we go. Oh my god.
Find all the tape recorders.
Right. Yeah, I know. Oh, I know. I know. I think I've already found one. Yeah, I found a tape recorder already. How'd you pick it up? Oh, found one. Found.
The sky though, the sky's quite nice.
Yeah, but that. Oh. I'm by a lake.
Yeah,
Oh my god, I'm crapping it already.
by a water stream sort of thing.
What?
Doesn't matter.
Right. Why, did you see him? Why, have you seen him? Oh, this is already freaky. Oh my god.
I found the tape recorder.
Ah, good lad, I found one already. I don't know where I'm going around in circles. Oh. Oh, I can see some. What the hell just happened? That hand just moved. Oh, oh my god, I'm scared as. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, 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 oh. What the hell has happened? Oh. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, he's there! He's there! He's there! He's there! He's there! He's there! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whew. Ah! He's got me! Oh! Oh my god! I'm dead. Oh! Took me 1 minute 44, and you're dead like that. Oh my god! Oh, my heart's pounding.
I don't like this.
No, I don't either. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I hope you enjoyed, guys. I'll be bringing another part to you soon. I'll probably upload it today. What?
Not make it that short.
Yeah, you're right, aren't you? I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna do it one more time. Right, here we go. I'll spot. He just flipping scared me out of the blue. I can hear something already. Alright. Oh, there's a thing. Oh, there's a tape recorder. I'll probably only find one and that'll be it. Yeah, I've only found one. I don't want to go near like the gates because that'll just be.
Go near these sort of statue things, you'll find one there.
Alright.
If you can find the statue, just follow the stream. You should be able to find one.
Ah! Ah! Oh my god. All I can see is just. Have you seen him?
Oh my god. Jesus.
Right, it's gone past like half a minute now. Flipping out. He's going to find me any minute. I could just tell. I could just tell.
Oh my god.
Ah! 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 Oh my god, he's there! He's there! He's there! He's there! Oh, he's there! 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 Right, run away. Just get away. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's got. Oh, wait. No, he hasn't. Has he? No, he's gone. He's gone. Whew. Play again. Oh my god, I found another tape recorder! I can hear something! I can hear something! It's not good at all. I can hear something, it's not good at all. Ah! 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 He's there! He's there! He's there! Ah! 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 Oh! 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 Is he still there? This is scary as.
But it's scary.
Ah, he's there again! Ah, run away! Ah, where's he gone now? Is he gone? I think he's gone. Oh, oh, oh my
You
God!
get Amnesia as a free trial on Xbox.
Is it on Xbox? I never knew.
I'm gonna have
Ah, he's there! Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I can't see him. I can't see him. Oh, look. Oh, there he is. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, I found him so many times. Oh, oh my God. Liam, how many sets you found?
I had 2, and then he found me.
Yeah. It's fucking scary as, isn't it? Flipping out. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously, I was shitting my pants there, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you want, and I'll be bringing another. I'll do another second attempt soon. So see you guys later.